Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review for you guys, and today I'm really excited to review this product because this is really newly launched and I thought this was the best time for you to know whether the product works or not. So the product that I will be reviewing today are the Nykaa So Matte lipsticks. These lipsticks have just been launched in Nykaa just like a week ago, and I placed the order the day it came out. I was so excited about it. If you guys don't know, Nykaa is an online makeup website where you can buy makeup and skincare, haircare and stuff. Nykaa is probably right now the most popular online website for cosmetics and stuff, and they have their own brand of nail paints which they launched like around maybe 6 months to 1 year ago, and also some skincare range and stuff. But they just came out with their matte lipsticks and it was like a big event because I could not wait to try these on. I just got my hands on 2 of them. I think there are about 10 different shades, 10 or 12 different shades in the whole range, and these retail for $3.99 per piece per product, and you can get some discounts right now because if you buy a combo, I guess they are cheaper a bit, by a bit but not much. Anyways, I think it's still a very affordable range lipstick because matte lipsticks are generally expensive. If you consider Lakme or L'Oreal, they are generally very pricey, but these are more affordable range for matte lipsticks, and these are how the lipsticks look. I'll be telling you guys about the product, how it looks, the finishing, texture, smell, everything, so that it helps you guys to buy your own shade. So I got 2 of them, and the packaging, it just came today. The packaging looks like this, so pretty. It has this Nykaa written here in their own brand logo font, and the packaging is like a cardboard, not a very tough but a nice cardboard. The packaging was pretty nice. It was all bubble wrapped and extra protected, so nothing would happen to it. Anyways, nothing happened. And just read out what it is written here. It says So Matte lipstick. You've got a new favorite matte lipstick. This long-lasting texture gives you pout-worthy lips in one stroke. It effortlessly glides on your lips, giving you a gorgeous soft matte finish. Pepper up and party with our delectable matte lipstick Moi. So it says it's long-lasting, vitamin E enriched and intense color. I can also read some of the ingredients, but I think I can give you down in the description box below because it's too long to read anyways. So this is how it looks. It looks so cute with this cardboard packaging. I'll open these up for you and tell you. I got 2 shades. Like this was a combo actually. I actually first placed an order for 2 different shades, but then I thought, you know what, let's go for a combo. It was a little cheaper, and I thought, it was just for trying, so let's just try out a combo. I picked up these 2 shades. One is called 04M Racy Rose, just written over here, and the second one is 03M Devious Pink. So these are both shades in pink. I just picked up because I think winters and all are very nice for pink stuff, and I really love pink as a lipstick. I'm a pink lipstick girl. So anyways, when I open up the box, this is how the product looks like. The product looks like this, somewhat like this. It is a matte finish square box lipstick packet with a hologram of this Nykaa written. It shines with the light on, and there is this thing written. So they do have, and also they do have all the expiry date and manufacturing date written over here, so it's easier for you to know how long this will work. I guess this will last up to 3 years from now. So when I first looked at the product, I thought it would be a little cheap, considering it's like a black matte box. But to be honest, this is a very classic packaging. I love how it's matte and square, because square lipsticks, like square packaging, is so attractive for me. I find the normal lipstick packaging very kind of boring right these days because I have so many of them. I just wanted a little different of kind, lipstick packaging, and this looks so classy because it's totally matte and square, and I love how it is written. It has an N written over here as well, if you can see. I love this packaging. When I open it, you can understand there is a magnetic thing here, so kind of when you close it, it kind of closes like this. So when you open it, you will have to pull it. So it pushes on your own and it doesn't fall. So it's actually a magnetic thing going on below here. So it kind of, which is really cool. I really found that thing so cool. Okay, so has a very nice glossy part at this place, which kind of gives it a very expensive look. And this is how the first shade looks like. A very gorgeous. This is the 03M DBS pink. I think I love the shade. It just looks so bright pink, but a little wineish little shade, and looks so classy. Just look at this lipstick. This is the 03M DBS pink. It looks really, really pretty. I love the bullet. I think it's pretty long. Like if I open it up the full thing, this is how long this lipstick is, and I really, really love this. So now I'll be showing you the next lipstick and showing you guys how it looks. Same packaging. And this is 04 Racy Rose. I love this. Is a bright pink, but I think it will suit me. It's not a very washout pink. I just love how it looks. The bullet is really long. Just has a little cracks here, so I'm a little worried, but I don't think it will break that easily. I just have to be a little careful while using it. So whenever you're using a new lipstick, you just be a little careful, because there's always a chance that it will break. Anyways, I'll just compare these two colors and show you guys how these two look. I think this looks gorgeous. I love these two shades. I think it will be so perfect for winters and autumns, and I am going to use these really, really soon, but first I'll be swatching it for you guys and telling you how it looks, so just it helps you guys to know how the color payoff is. This is the 03 DBS pink, and I think it looks pretty light compared to the bullet. It looks a little wineish, but here the payoff is pretty bright pink, and I really like this. The second shade is this one. This is the Racy Rose, and it is a more pinky Barbie pink, bubble pink kind of color, and I really like this. So as you can see, these are two shades, and I think I really, really like these two. To be honest, when I glided it glided pretty nicely. I'll be showing you guys how it looks on my lips. It smells really sweet. It kind of smells a little vanilla-ish, which is good because I love vanilla. But if you're not much into vanilla flavor or little sweet flavor, it can be a bit of an issue. But I think it smells pretty nice. I don't feel it's really irritating. It's pretty subtle actually, so it doesn't matter much, so I think it was alright. Okay, so coming to the texture of the lipsticks, I would say the texture is more soft. It's not a very drying lipstick, it is a matte lipstick. So the biggest problem with matte lipsticks is it generally tends to be really dry, which kind of, you know, is not good for winters, because winters you're always looking for gloss lipsticks, moisture lipsticks, which give your lips moisture for more hours and don't make your lips really chapped and dry, and because it ends up looking really bad. But I would suggest that these lipsticks are good for winters too as mattes, because these are really soft, glidey, and I did not feel it was too dry for me. It was just okay, like good amount of moisture along with the matte. Yeah, the matte thing is a bit of a little downside. I would say it is not a really complete matte like the L'Oreal Star Collection, which is like a complete, which is the most mattest lipstick I have used so far. But I think these are good enough for a matte effect. I won't say these are too drying, that's why they are not too matte, because too matte means it's going to be too drying for your lips. For winters, this lipstick is great because it's going to work for your matte, and it is also going to give you some moisture and gloss, like a little bit of a gloss feeling in your lip, even if it doesn't show. I think it is a really nice feeling, and I kind of really like that stuff, the texture. The pigmentation is really good. The color payoff is nice. I felt the colors were nice, bright, glowing colors, and perfect for winters if you're a girl who loves her pink lipsticks like me. I think this lipstick is perfect for winters. Packaging is really cute, pretty travel friendly packaging, and I don't think there'll be any issue in terms of traveling with these things. because I have to travel a lot this time, and I'm just hoping that I can take these things and experiment with my looks for you guys. Overall, I really like this lipstick. Yeah, the matte part could have been better. It could have been a little more matte than than it is, but in terms of the timing when it launched, I think the texture works because we don't want too matte lipstick during winters because it kind of dries our lips. These lipsticks will give you moisture and kind of give you a little bit of a gloss feeling, though it's not totally gloss or totally matte. I really like it overall. I think it's a really affordable range to try on with matte lipsticks. I think it was a really good lipstick to check out, and I feel you guys should check out more colors. If I can get my hands on the other colors, I will definitely do that if you guys want, but for now I'm really happy with these colors. I would love to play with it more and see how the color payoffs come off and how long it lasts. So overall it's a thumbs up. In terms of the rating, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Guys, that was it. That was all the video was about this time, and I hope you guys really liked it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please press that subscribe button below to get regular notifications about my videos. Do comment, give any video requests, anything that you guys say, down in the comment section below. I'll list down the price, and I'll put down the links to these lipsticks in the description box below for you to check out and buy if you guys like it. And do let me know if you have tried these lipsticks, or you're willing to try it, or you want to try it and you have any queries with it. I'm always ready to answer, and I hope you guys are having a fabulous week ahead, and